Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Buras, Louisiana sits along the west bank of the Mississippi River in Plaquemines Parish, deep in the river's lower reaches. This community exists where land, river, and gulf waters constantly reshape the landscape, making Buras a place defined by both opportunity and risk. The town traces its roots to early French and Spanish settlement, when families established plantations and farms along the natural levees of the river. The name Buras comes from an early landowning family whose property once stretched along this part of the Mississippi. Like most communities here, development followed the river, not roads. The river provided transportation, fertile soil, and access to global trade. During the 19th century, Buras became a center for agriculture and river commerce. Sugarcane dominated the economy, and steamboats were a common sight along the waterfront. During the Civil War, this region held strategic importance because control of the Mississippi River meant control of supply routes. Nearby forts and river defenses played roles in the larger campaign that ultimately split the Confederacy when Union forces gained control of the river in 1862. In the 20th century, Buras evolved alongside the region's fishing, oil, and gas industries. Commercial fishing and oyster harvesting supported generations of families, while offshore energy development brought jobs and infrastructure. The town also became a key stop along Highway 23, the main route connecting Lower Plaquemines Parish to New Orleans. Buras has repeatedly faced the destructive power of hurricanes. Hurricane Betsy in 1965 caused widespread flooding and damage, changing how homes were built and where people chose to live. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 devastated the community, destroying most structures and displacing residents. Recovery was slow and difficult, and the population never fully returned. In 2010, the Deepwater Horizon oil spill affected nearby waters, disrupting fishing and coastal ecosystems that many locals depended on for their livelihoods. Combined with ongoing land loss and erosion, these events have continued to challenge life in Buras. Today, Buras remains small but resilient. It serves as a gateway to the fishing and offshore communities farther south, including Venice. While much has changed, the river still defines daily life here, just as it has for centuries. As you watch Buras, you're seeing a community shaped by the Mississippi River's power, a place built on rich land, tested by disaster, and sustained by the determination of those who continue to call it home.